Got one. Here, get the net, Dylan. This is a decent one. Oh, it's a carp.
Try to swing this way.
Yeah, we bit it too.
Huh?
He bit it. Oh shit, that
Yeah, I'd tap me back a little bit. Hope that line don't break.
same.
Smack me in the face.
Here, you're probably gonna have to net him like right here. Oh god. Yep, get ready to net him, Dylan. Net him right here. Oh god, he's barely hooked.
That's a terrible spot to stand. Not reaching.
Here, over here, over here, over here. Okay, you ready, Dylan?
Not really.
Not really.
I already know the sand's gonna get out from under me.
Good job, Dylan. Thank you. Let's get him back to the water, slimy boy.
Ugly little thing, isn't it?
That it is. He smells too. Now, what about that, Dylan? What was that, second cast?
Third.
That was like 2 tons bigger than that.
And that one?
Yeah, oh god, yeah. That one put that one to shame.
Fuck, I had a nibble.
Probably did. I think the fish are definitely active.
He's not trying to catch it in the car.
Hey, if you catch a carp, we catch a carp.
And then we'll go from the Bassin Bros to the Carpin Boys.
Right? That's staying in the video. I had the camera on for that. Oh gosh. You know, every time I come down here, I catch a carp now, it seems like. I'm not even trying to catch them.
Better you than me.
I honestly, I don't mind catching them. They fight pretty good.
That's, that's the thing, that's the only thing about,
Thought I got one there, something like that. What were you saying? It's like, I don't even know.
Oh, I remember now. I was gonna say, that's something that kind of makes you kind of curious about this part of the river. It almost makes you wonder if the forage right here is good enough for fish to live.
Honestly,
If you think about it, carp's not gonna eat this any other point.
yeah.
Except for whenever, like in this instant.
I mean, fish spawn here during the spring.
That's what I'm saying, like, it almost makes me wonder if this part of the river is only used by the fish to spawn because of the sandy bottom right now.
Honestly, probably. Because there's rocks too.
Yeah.
It's like right out there towards like where the current starts picking up. Dang, I guess the 10th ounce is working today, huh?
Do what?
I guess the 10th ounce is working today. It's putting in the work.
Yeah, it's not on the right species.
Right? Hey, but you know what? It's better to catch one fish than no fish. And I don't mind finding an 8-pound carp. I really got to invest in a bigger net. That's what I got to do. Especially if I'm going to be fishing for muskie too. I think, you know, I think we're going to stay down here until probably, we might as well full send it, Dylan. Do you agree? I think we should. I think we should. Just in case, because you never know. It does say the bite's supposed to get better.
At this point, I'm okay if I catch a carp.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I won't be mad if I do.
Have you ever caught one before? They put up a pretty good fight. I'm not gonna lie, they're kind of fun to fight. Especially if you hook it to a bigger one like I did, it'll take you, I mean, you gotta be able to like quickly adjust that drag. You can do it. Look, there's some right there.
Yeah, no.
There's 4 of them.
There's 2 right here in front of me. Actually 3. 2 up there and there's 1 over there.
What are you fishing with?
Huh?
What are you fishing with? Oh, you are.
I switched to that because I was like, huh, I'm about to switch to this so I can at least catch carp.
Right.
At least catch something.
Yes, that's why I wasn't mad whenever I hooked into that today. I was like, okay. Better than nothing. They do put up a fight. I will say that. They fight pretty hard.
First one to catch a bass, or last, let's see, whoever doesn't catch a bass today has to buy the other one dinner.
What happens if we both don't catch a bass?
Huh?
What happens if we both don't catch a
I guess
bass?
maybe one of us is losing. That's a draw again.
Oh boy.
Why is it neither one of us ever outfishes each other when it comes to bass? We're always tied on bass. Never film.
I don't know. It's gonna change one day, Dylan.
Yeah, when spring gets here, well, I'm gonna beat you like 15-3.
Yeah, okay.
I'm telling
Okay.
you.
Okay, Dylan. Whatever you say. Whatever you say.
Luck is on your side right now. Like here,
Oh, yeah, you think so?
you're more familiar with this whole section. So for right now, this whole area is on your side. For me, we go somewhere in my territory, and you go.
I don't know about that, Dylan.
It's not supposed to rain.
It's supposed to snow though. Once that snow melts.
And again, it's not going to snow enough to affect this water. It's only supposed to be like 1/4 of an inch.
That's a
Yeah.
bass.
Oh, that's carp.
Oh yeah, welcome to the Redneck Club.
Mhm.
Welcome to the Redneck Club. Yeah, I tried throwing the Ned rig over there. Didn't work. The current was too fast. I thought the current was fast down here. I was saying like that I beat you today. I did. Because I caught that carp.
Oh, a carp.
You said it was a
count.
bonus fish, remember?
Yeah, it's a bonus, but it doesn't go towards a win.
But it does if it's a bonus. Then why
No,
is
it's
it
not.
then why is it a bonus?
Because it wasn't a species we were going for. It
But you know what? It's a bonus fish though.
doesn't matter.
How many bonus fish do you got?
You ever played those games on your phone and you get a bonus word, but it's not the word you're looking for, so you don't win the game because of it?
Or bonus means points. And points
doesn't.
mean yeah it does.
It doesn't.
Yeah it does.
You know it doesn't.
Bonus questions on
Well,
quizzes.
afterwards, I said, okay, now
So,
we'll do.
it's a
whoever catches
bonus
the most
fish.
bass.
It's a bonus fish.
No, well, yeah, it was a bonus fish, but you don't get points for it, so therefore you do not win.
Then why is it a bonus to even begin with?
Because you caught a fish, but it wasn't the right fish. It's kind of like whenever you're fishing like a fishing tournament.
Hmm.
Yeah, you caught the fish, woo, you got the skunk out of the boat, but you did not land the fish you need to win.
I don't know.
Think about it. It's a competition. If you if you're in a bass tournament, you're in a bass tournament.
Well, we didn't say specifically bass until after we caught the carp. So
Yeah, but
technically,
okay, well in that case, we didn't talk about a competition until after you caught the carp. So technically that carp was irrelevant, period.
but technically, it's still a fish.
It's irrelevant, Sean.
It's a fish. A fish is a fish.
You caught it before the competition had begun. Therefore, that fish does not count towards your score.
A fish is a fish. We don't
serious.
discriminate here.
That might be a bass.
That actually might be, yeah.
Just because of the way he's moving, that one might be a bass. That one's a carp. That's a carp.
I feel like they don't like each other too much.
That one right there was a bass. The one sitting right there, it's a bass. It's gotta be a bass.
Dylan, get the net.
Sean.
Yeah.
Ain't that big.
What is that?
It's a bass.
It's a
Bass.
Here, get the net.
It's small now. It's small. Oh, look at it.
It's a pretty decent one, actually.
Put it on a stick. God, don't fall. Bro.
Oh, come here. Oh, that's a nice bass. Oh.
Uh-oh, I'm getting water in my shoe. I can feel it. I'm sure it went through his lip and then went back into the worm, so you have to... Here, let me go of him. Or let go of the...
God, look at that. God, that's such a nice bass. That's pushing 3 pounds.
Ready?
Yep.
I don't think he's 3 pounds. He's not that big. I'd say he's probably 2.5 in that range.
That's such a nice one. Here guys, we just caught this smallmouth. It's a pretty nice one. It's got a nice little throat on him. We're gonna weigh him real quick. Where's your scale at, Dylan?
My bag?
Oh, here. Let's weigh him real quick. God, that's such a nice fish. Woo! Look at that. Oh, God, that made this stay worth it. God, that is a chunky boy.
Here. Well, there. Clip him somewhere.
God, I can't even get it.
Zero out. Ooh, less than 2 pounds. Do it a second time. Right at 2 pounds. An ounce shy.
Not too shabby.
Got his lip?
Yeah. I'm gonna get a picture of him. Alright guys, so today we did the fishing challenge down here at the river. It's a little disputed because Dylan says that it was just bass that caught or counted. And yeah, well, here's the thing. I caught a carp earlier, and I also caught a bass just about 30 minutes ago. Dylan, how many did you catch, Dylan?
None.
None? None at all?
Not one.
Oh gosh. Well, anyways, guys, you know who the champion is, even though like it's just one fish, you know.
I'll get you next time, Benny.
Oh, okay. Is the light bright on you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot.
Okay. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the video and follow us on Instagram, please. And I hope you guys have a good day.